old truck. Hey guys, we are over here in Kingman, Arizona on a Friday night at the Hyundai High Desert dealership. They are having a cruise-in car show type thing. They are raising funds to provide candy for the Chillin on Beale Street in Kingman for their trunk or treat. So we thought, I thought, come over, go for a cruise to Kingman, haven't been over here for a year, and get some footage for you of some of the cool cars that came out for the day. Now this truck here, if you watched my video from Cinco de Mayo 2022, this was down in Laughlin, sitting up under the canopy. This paint job is amazing. I don't know with the sun if I can show it to you very well, but it is really cool. And yeah, the sun's going to play a little trick on us there, but I just love this truck. I'm going to back you on up a little bit. There you go. Now we can see it. Just a beautiful truck, inside and out. There you go. And of course, you can't have a car show without an old Impala. We have big old Continental. I don't know how old you're, but if you didn't have an uncle that wore a cowboy hat, smoked a cigar, and drove a Lincoln Continental, you just didn't know anybody. And here we are with the fastest car in Kingman. Right there, that's Smiley's Firebird. You're not going to be able to see the ghost flames very well on it. Oh, I guess you can, maybe. He's never just handed me the keys to that. I'm waiting. He just won't do it. All right. Something nobody wanted for their first car, but we saw him in the high school parking lot. Old Hornet. And here we go. Here's a rat rod. I'm not sure whose this is, and I thought I knew every rat rod in a few states. This one is new. It's come up since I've been gone, because I've been gone a year. But I don't recall it. I get around. Show you a little bit in here. It's even got the door handles with some little revolvers. Got the big old bullet lights on the back end. And then a little bit of fancy, dainty artwork. All right. And we're going to spin. I'm not sure which way we should go, but we're just going to take a cruise. Now, if you know, over in, I go to the Golden Valley shows, there aren't too many lowriders around. Let me see if I can.
It was my grandpa's first car.
So if we see a lowrider or anything close, I'm kind of excited because we don't see too many of those here. Check this beast out.
You ever been to a fan belt class?
I have a feeling he didn't leave the keys in it for me either. Might notice if it was missing. Look at this truck. That's a pretty truck. Bel Air wagon. I still think one of those would be fun. Some of these are pulled in and a little harder to see.
Next raffle will be at 7:15. Tell a friend.
Let me see. I hate walking up in between them, but they don't leave me no choice when they pull in like this. There we go.
Barrels, you guys got your tickets ready, everybody? Let's think about this.
Another Impala 58, I do believe. It's a 4-door. I think those are the 58 wings. Satellite. I don't even know.
Looks like we got us a little back package, some kind of thing. Purple
Plymouth
ticket.
Satellite.
Last
Don't know
four,
that one.
7747.
But
Purple ticket.
they've got tons of food trucks out here today,
47.
which is great. A lot of these shows don't ever have food trucks. And then we all just wander around starving.
All right, next prize.
I guess I could have brought my truck. My truck ain't that fancy, but, you know. A Galaxy convertible. We see this one over at the Golden Valley shows. He's fancied it up a bit. And here's one of my favorite rides, a Gremlin.
Fortunately, it was just one prize. Mike Goodwin. Leave it to him. He's the one holding the party up.
That's a bright orange. Holy smokes.
All right, let me know when Mike gets in, you guys.
We've got a bit of
I
wind
think Mike
going.
should take some of that for not making sure they were turned into the bucket. Right?
They got more rows back there.
Yeah. All right, that's true. We got his money. That's what counts. Looks like a player's set, huh, Gene? All right, purple ticket, last four, 7879. Purple ticket, 7879.
Pontiac Le Mans.
You know, every time, hey Gene, every time I
My
use
first
these
car was
players, I'm
Pontiac
looking
Le
for the
Mans
safe
Sport
word.
Coupe, 1975. So it wasn't quite like this
Purple
one.
ticket, last four, 7879. I know what the safe word is.
Mine was
watermelon,
baby
by the
poop
way.
orange, so
No means don't stop. Anyway, Gene, enough of this.
now I'm not sure.
You've got that phone that was lost earlier, don't you? One last
This
chance.
looks like
Purple ticket,
Chris's
7879. Here she comes.
But I'm not sure if it is or not. I'm not sure who owns it now.
7879. Bingo, there's your winner. Chicken dinner, Rick.
All right.
Then we wait till next one.
We're just going to flip you around. We're just going to walk around. I figure that's the best way to do this. Just keep going. Here's another one you're going to recognize from the Golden Valley show.
Evening. Don't get any
There you
better
go.
than this.
We see him over at Great American Pizza for the shows over there.
All right, last one for a little while. Purple ticket. Right. Jay right here, photographer.
There's some different cars I haven't seen or haven't seen for a while. course, it's been a year.
7897. For a Chillin on Beale plaque. Purple ticket, 7897.
They have quite a few cars out for a Friday night. I just happened to see the flyer go through the Pharaohs.
All right, that's it, Gene.
Hey, those poster things are from Kate Redding,
Site. So
official photographer over here. He also has a newsletter, and we want to tell you about that right now, because I think it's about time.
and here's Kenny Earls, Munster Mobile. He built that a couple of years ago.
Thank you, Gene. I appreciate that.
Another old wagon. Make going to get groceries fun. Yeah, we're pointing you in the sun. I'm gonna get you turned around. Trying to avoid some people and kids. There you go. That looks like something some gangsters step out of. Cute little taillights. Yeah, I'm going to say the word cute.
So it's like the other, like the Kingman shepherd.
Those wheels.
All right. That's what I understand. One of our very own is going to have Bob. Over there is going to have articles in the Kingman Motor Research.
Fancy little vet.
We're glad to have Bob on board.
It's actually not too hot out here tonight.
Hey, what we're going to do is an article.
All right, I'm throwing this in. I didn't see it earlier. Look at this. I don't have my gimbal, so I'm going to do the best I can for you.
Last four, 7772. Bob's has a zero at the end here. 7772. Bingo.
Check that out. That is some sparkle.
Thanks again, you guys, for coming out supporting the Chillin on Beale Halloween Bash fundraiser. Couldn't do it without you. Okay, last one this round, is that right, Jimmy? Route 66 plaque here. Last four, 7961.
Low Times, Arizona.
Purple ticket. 7961.
Nice bike. This is an off the jacks brake. Let me tell you, I wanted to show you my Seville impact wrench. I can use it to jack up my car. I can use it to take lug nuts off and put them back on nice and tight. Had no problems with it. It is cordless, so when I take a trip, I don't have to worry about it. I'm not stuck in the middle of the freeway or down some isolated road waiting for someone else to come and help me change that tire. I can do it myself. Comes with the battery, the charger, 6 sockets, and a bag to keep it in. So there'll be a link in the description below. Go check them out, and thanks for supporting my channel. All right, here we go. Got lined back up. Oh, I'm gonna watch out for some little people. They're more interested in cars than watching where they're going. I don't blame them, I'm the same. Now this belonged to Greaser. He used to have shows over in like Boulder City. This is a cool car. He recently passed away, and so I don't know who has his car now.
Oh, what do we got here? We got Charles Black here. How about that?
Here's Charles.
But we didn't see it out a lot. That's a glass top. But I do know the car.
Tomorrow night down at Beale Celebrates. I've got tickets over here for sale if you want to come. It's going to be a good time. Live music, dinner, contest. Make a fool of yourself. Have fun. Tomorrow night starts at 5. I have tickets up here if you're interested.
Check that out.
Another good cause. You don't know, they gather up all these feral cats in one town. They take them down to the low cost training place, have them neutered, take a little piece of their ear, and they put them right back out in the place they belong. Feral cats do a good justice to the area. They take care of all the roads and everything.
I like that yellow truck.
2,000 cats left. Okay, thank you.
And I can say, they're going to turn on music, so here goes the copyright. That's okay. Monetization will be gone, but I do have a link in the description below. And in that link is an affiliate link for my Amazon shop page. If you use that link and make a purchase, I may make a commission, but it helps support coming out here and going to the other shows. So I greatly appreciate if you're going to go to Amazon and do a little shopping, stop by, click through my link, and see if there's not something you have just been dying for. Look at this. That is unique. The way he's got that attached. Also smells like burnt oil. That's okay. I ain't one to judge.
Have a nice conversation with Simon, the Kiwi. He fixed
It was all about a conversation here.
Look at that. Then he's got the wide tires back here. I'm looking for keys. For some reason, don't think I'm gonna find them. And that's exactly what those little pieces are for right there, for people trying to do video not paying attention. Kind of over in the shade. I like that red and purple. That's a General Motors truck, is what it says. I think they said there was 100 cars, and that was earlier. Got a pretty interior. I know it's going to be hard to see. And these big back windows go down. I kind of like that. I didn't know they'd go down. Fancy little doorknobs. Door handles. We're just looking in there. Don't mind that.
No, that's fine.
I was going to say I'm looking for.
It's at a car show.
I'm looking for keys, but.
They're in the ignition. How are you going to get it out of here, though? It's got a helicopter that comes out the roof and...
You know what? If y'all would move and get them to move,
Yeah.
you'd never know I was gone.
Right.
It might be recognizable on the road, but
True. Good point.
Oh, look at that. My brother's last name is Keys. Will that help?
pardon?
My brother's last name is Keys. Will that help?
No.
It's actually spelled like car keys, too.
Only if he's got a screwdriver and he's good at.
I'm sure he has.
I'm on video, can't say that.
Yeah, you're more.
That's how they got my SS out of the Galleria Mall, baby. I know damn well they went into that.
Another nice old truck.
I had a. Well, when I went there, they only had like 2.
Boy, I don't know how I'm gonna get out here. Hang on. I don't want you there. I do like that Pontiac Le Mans over there. From the front. Look at this. That looks kind of sharp. From the back, it's not as impressive. I do like that front end. That's got some color to it. I love that they have music at car shows, but it does nothing for my video. Kingman air cooled. That's got some flake in it. Check out this back tire. Let me move my shadow. It's kind of cute. Stay humble is what it says on it. Oh yeah, boy. And that's a Shady Life. I can't. Shady Life Clothing is what the hat says on it. Had to get in front of it. Sorry, guys. There's his plaque. So he's got his windows up. But this has some flake in it. Maybe we can see it on the other side. Like a little clown car. Yeah, monetization. They've killed me. It's okay. I thought maybe I could get through without it, but no such luck. That's okay. Like I said, I got a link down to my Amazon shop. If you use it, I appreciate it. I may make a commission if you make a purchase using my link. Got to keep the FTC happy for us. All right, so in case some of you didn't know, I am back from the middle of a cornfield. I'm back out in the desert. So we are over in Kingman, Arizona. Stopped by this show on Friday night because I figured it'd have some different stuff. Fun for a first show
Hey guys,
back.
here's another upcoming car show that's
While
got a good
I
cause.
was gone, I only got to see one car
Keepers of the
show
Wild, Sweet Rides and Donut Fundraiser
and
for
a
Sanctuary.
demo derby.
$20
If you
registration.
didn't see the demo derby,
That's going to be
it
held
is
out
up
at
on the channel.
Valentine, Arizona. 13,000 block of East Route 66 in Valentine. Is that where the keepers are? Oh, all right, right there where the animals are.
There you go.
All proceeds will go to them, of course. That's on Saturday, September 9th at 8 o'clock. So once again,
Mustang
I've never made it out there all these years.
67.
To give free rides.
They just want to
Oh,
talk.
for the car show people. Oh, right on. Nice. Because they usually charge the people, I think, don't they? What's that, Rick?
We are going to go over here,
Oh, is that right?
start with one of the other rides, and work our way down again. They've got quite a few out here. Sorry, I know it's not on me. I can't see nothing. The sun's in my eye. Flip you around here. And there is that Charger. Wasn't quite the burnout I expected, but pretty sure he wants to keep his car all in one piece. All right. I have to show you Carrie's race car here in a minute, this one here. But before we do, we're going to go up here and look. Is that pretty or what? Not sure how he got top billing. He must know somebody. Anyway, here is Carrie's race car. A lot of times you may see Carrie. He drives a bright neon orange Blazer. We see him at the Kingman shows. But this is one of his other cars. There you go. Ask him why he didn't bring the Blazer. But he said he could only drive one car at a time. I offered to drive the Blazer, but he just didn't seem to want to take me up on that. I'm always trying to help these guys out by driving their cars for them, just because I'm a nice person and that's what I do. That's a cute truck. I like that. Oh, I like that.
I haven't got into it until after a couple of weeks
It's not got a
later.
frame. I'm going to walk over here and go around this one on the sunny side. Everybody's kind of sitting still. We didn't get here in time for roll-in, so not much action. Ford 100, Bad Gas Garage. Is that cute or what? And here's another one we see quite often over in Kingman at the different shows. Route 66. It's got a hell of a driver in here. Let's go over and see what he has to say. Check him out. How are you tonight? Are you enjoying the show? How was your cruise over? Did somebody go to get you some dinner? Well, I guess he doesn't have much to say.
He got the COVID shot last year.
Oh, he got the COVID shot. So he's been like this ever since.
Yeah. Get him in.
As long as he can still drive and get it parked good.
Glad you're having fun.
Thank you, sir. Glad that you came. Yeah, he's shy. All right. I like my old trucks.
You actually 70.
All right. I'm trying to figure out if there is somewhere where I haven't gone yet, and that is the front row. Want to make sure I get them because I don't want them pissed off at me. We're going to walk by the music. It'll get me nailed. That's okay. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications, turn them on. You don't want to miss a single show. I'm going to SEMA this year. Did I say that already? I will be back at SEMA doing media. I'll be at SEMA Fest. I am going to, had to miss everything last year because I was taking care of my brother's stuff. So this year, I'm going to do it upright. So if you got anything you're interested in at SEMA that you want me to look for, let me know. I'll do my best. It's a huge fucking show. Whether or not I can find it, that's iffy. Let's all right.
Hey, that's the language you need to know. You can learn Spanish all you want, but when you talk to me, what's he saying? You need Spanish.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep the sun. We got people. Let's get around here. Z28. I dated one of those. And I just got to. Anybody that makes mad, I'm over it. We've already had all kinds of things today. If that's what sets you off, well. Now this is some pink. Let me tell you. I don't know if you can get any more pink than this.
You gotta get the inside too.
Uh-oh, is it neon too? Oh, she's got the bling. Oh my God, look at this. It's the Bling-mobile. Look at that. It's all blinged out. Even, look at this, even her vents. Everything. I mean, I've seen some blinged out cars, but I don't think I've seen one of these.
Wheels?
Look, here's her shoulder pad. Even at her headrest, right here, has the little blingies. Oh, good Lord. Now wait, we're gonna look at the wheels in just a minute. But I wondered if there was something around back. Yes, there is bling around those tail lights. I already knew there'd probably be a license plate. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, I can tell you none of the other guys in this parking lot have this much bling. Now, what we were looking at, yeah, they're pretty wheels. But look at this around right here. That is also little blingies. Yep. That is something. Well, if they have a prize for most bling, right there it is. You lowrider ladies, you got to keep up. Check this out. That is pretty cool. That way you can haul your groceries too, or your tools.
And I usually find, I know that's some stuff, good factory parts. I mean, the carb's not factory on this because it's over 45 with movie, but...
There's a few bikes. Oh, look at this.
But it's got the original 4-speed. I haven't done anything with that. I've pumped the 80 cubic inch up to about a 90 cubic inch.
And I could piss them off and go, ooh, pretty ponies. Probably don't want to hear that though. There we go. Old Duster. And a pickup truck. All right, so there you go. We've made it around, I think, everywhere. I'm going to try to run through, get a couple of TikToks. You can also follow me over on TikTok. I greatly appreciate it, as Off the Jacks. I'll try to put the link somewhere because I'm going to start doing products over there too, just like I do for Amazon. So once in a while, I'm going to throw up a product video. And if you make a purchase, whether it's from my Amazon link here or a TikTok video of mine, I make a commission, and that helps pay for my gas, pay for my car that while I was gone, some lady ran into it when it was in my driveway. And so now my car is totaled and insurance isn't working with me very well, is how I'm going to say it to be nice. So that's another adventure I have to start looking into. So hope to see you on the next video. I've missed y'all. Hope to see you again soon. Sorry we couldn't do this live, but I don't trust the signal. So have a good day. Hit the subscribe button.